let me tell you what I love about nature photography. It is safe to say that we have a storm rolling in. We're here by a small lake inside of the Cherokee National Forest. I'll tell you what, we may get dumped on all night, but it sure is great to be out here. Alright, what we're hoping for is that this morning might reveal some of those fantastic moments. What I love about nature photography, believe it or not, I love photographing in the rain. Take a look at how vibrant these fall colors are. And they only are that way because of the way they're saturated with the rainwater. Some call it rain. I like to call it liquid sunshine.